Meta and YouTube get screwed in court. I was very disappointed to see a 20-year-old woman who won in a California court is set to receive a total of $6 million from Meta and YouTube. Her claim was she was addicted to social media and it dominated her life for years, which caused mental health issues like anxiety and depression. I got to tell you, I'm really getting tired of the legal system in California and the theatrics that is played by attorneys such as her attorney having a jar of 415 M&Ms saying each M&M represented $1 billion of the near $400 billion in total stockholder equity when looking at Alphabet's value. He began to remove one M&M at a time and demonstrated how taking out a few M&Ms did not change the weight of the jar at all. My feeling is this attorney should probably go to Hollywood and try to get an acting job. Probably won't earn as much as what he's earning as an attorney doing these types of suits. It is disappointing to see how no one wants to take accountability for their actions any longer. They always seem to want to blame somebody else and not take responsibility for the fact that she uploaded more than 200 YouTube videos before the age of 10, and listen to this, and had 15 Instagram accounts before she was 15. I do have to ask, where were the parents? This could just be the beginning, as there are 3,000 other similar lawsuits against social media companies that are pending in California courts. I do believe there should be some changes made to the regulatory framework around social media, but this just goes too far. It is just my opinion, greed from attorneys and people that are trying to get that free ride. I was glad to see that both companies are appealing the decision, and this will likely continue to move up the court system and could very well end up in the Supreme Court. Meta also lost a case in New Mexico this past week as jurors found that Meta willfully violated the state's unfair practices. The state's attorney general claimed the company failed to properly safeguard its apps from online predators targeting children. It is disappointing to see the number of lawsuits that are going on in our country. Our country, it was not built on attorneys and lawsuits. It was built on people working hard and taking responsibility for their own actions. I do fear for my grandkids if we continue on this path and wonder what our country will look like in 30 or 40 years. When it comes to investing, I would be very careful in this space, as these cases could set a dangerous precedent for trials to come. There's also a federal trial set to begin this summer in the Northern District of California involving claims by school districts and parents nationwide that apps from Meta, YouTube, TikTok, and Snap help foster detrimental mental health-related harms to young users. I'm Brent Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. If you like these videos, well, as always, be sure to give it a like or comment, and feel free to check out our other YouTube videos, weekly newsletter for the latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.